Hey guys, welcome to our latest listing here at 4866 King Street in Beamsville. We are right on the bench of the escarpment. We are 10 seconds away from beautiful downtown Beamsville. We've got the lake north of us, and we've got wineries absolutely everywhere. This house is a 2.5-story, all brick century home, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Let me show you what kind of curb appeal this has and then what they've done inside. It is everything you would love about a century home with everything you need in today's modern living. Come on with me. So right off the hop here, we've got an interlock driveway with room for 6 cars. We've got tens of thousands of dollars in landscaping on this property. It's absolutely gorgeous. These concrete steps all the way up, it just gives such curb appeal. It's so grand, it's so beautiful. Just this railing here, we've got a cast iron railing up here. We've got armor stone. This in the summertime is exquisite, exquisite. So as we continue up here, we've got a new black stained deck. This is a brand new door system that's just been put in. We've got smart doorbells. We've got glass here. This is beautiful. This front part is newly stuccoed, and it's been built off of the original house. And so this is gorgeous, but what's really gorgeous is what's inside. So inside this space here, we've got great functionality. We've got coat tree, we've got room for shoes and backpacks, but ultimately, you probably won't be using this as your main entrance because the house is designed for a rear entry that kind of keeps this all looking really nice anytime you're having people over. That's really, really great about this space. What I really love though is these doors. These are original doors to the house. They are in immaculate condition, and there's just look at this, arched and the original brick of the house. It's just stunning. So let me show you the rest of the way in, and we'll take a look inside. The moment you come in through these double doors here, you're greeted by the traditional century home stairway here. This beautiful solid oak railing. It's just very grand here. And then right to your right, we've got our open concept kitchen and dining room. Starting with the dining room, we've got huge windows in here. It's bright, it's spacious, it's lovely. We've got a Samsung Gallery fridge here. We've got our coffee bar, glass cabinetry up above with under cabinet lighting, beautiful stone countertops, really nicely done. You can host a number of people in here, no problem. And then a beautifully redone kitchen. This whole kitchen and dining area was taken down to the studs a few years ago, and we've got under shelf lighting here, some open. It's just really, it's got great breadth to it. It's got a lot of space. It's really clean. It's really simple, but not minimalistic. It still fits the character and charm of a 100-year-old home. And then next is maybe my favorite room of the house. This is our living room here, and this room is, straight out of a magazine. It is big, it's grand. Look at the detailing on the ceiling here. We've got just everything has been done so well. 3 huge windows, 6-foot windows, and just a lot that this room offers. Again, it's separate, but it's not closed off. And this again loops all the way back around. So you got great flow in the house without it being, just a huge open concept home. And that's really fantastic. One thing I also want to mention about this property in particular is that these owners have designed this space to fit this space. And because of that, they've let me know that if you're interested, if an eventual buyer is interested, all of these products in here, all of the furniture, everything that you see is available as well. And so if you're looking to do something in terms of like a short-term rental, Airbnb, or something along those lines, you're positioned in the most wonderful spot to be able to do that. But even if you just love this for yourself, this is all available, and that's something that we can talk about. So now let me take you to what is our next space of the house. At the back, this is a newer addition to the main room and has been fully redone on the outside and the inside. This is that front foyer that nobody is going to know about. This is where you can be a normal family. This is where you can have, if you want to have built-ins here, we've got a closet there. We've got laundry here on the main floor. This is your main entrance as far as anyone knows. These are some of the Spanish tiles that they've put in, and just take a look in the bathroom. That is an original clawfoot tub. It has been reglazed. It's in beautiful shape. Oh my goodness. And then we've got a 3-piece bathroom here on the main floor. And then over here, we also have our main floor laundry. It's small, it's cute, it's efficient, and it's on the main floor. So this back entrance space is really functional. It is great for being actually your main entrance. You're surrounded by the back gardens here. Before I take you out there, let me take you to the other 1.5 stories we still have. We've got a bunch of bedrooms. We've got a beautiful space on the top part of this house. It's absolutely stunning. Let's check it out. So upstairs on the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms with a potential 4th, or a nursery, den, office, tons of potential. We'll take you there in a second. But first, let me take you into the master bedroom. The master's got tons of natural light. We've got 2 closets and lots of space to work around here. We've also got this Juliet, which is a really nice little feature here that you can open up that door all the way. Through this way, we have the other 2 bedrooms. It's got 2 entrances. The master has 2 entrances. Great light filling this hallway here. But then take a look at this. This is one of our other bedrooms. Again, 2 massive windows in here and a closet. From our second bedroom, we come down the hall. I love the craftsmanship in this old home. It's just so beautiful. We have our third bedroom here, which is followed by this nice little sitting area, or just this open space with these double doors, lots of storage in the closet here. And then this is our nursery, office, den, or in this case, like an extension of the closet situation. Really cute room, really great space, lots of use for that. And then we've got our second floor bathroom here. This is a beautiful exposed brick that is original to the house. That is the actual exterior of the original house. And then this has all been redone with modern glass. It's a really great blend of both the century home, this aged home that's got so much character, but also has all the modern finishes that we've grown accustomed to. One last feature of this home that's really spectacular about a home of this age is that the attic is high and it's fully finished, and it's even got HVAC going through it and all of that. So we've got a whole nother half story up here that we use currently as a home office / playroom. It's right through here. Come on up, let's take a look. Awesome, so up here you can see this space is massive. It's the entire half of the footprint of the main floor. We have, as you can see, we've got over 7-foot high ceilings for most of this. We've got storage in the knee walls here, but we've got ventilation, we've got all the HVAC, so this is cool in the summer and warm in the winter. We've got electrical, it's perfect. This is fully finished living space. You can do whatever you want with a space like this. We've got it currently set up as kind of like a bit of a kid's play zone right here, meets home office. But this could be a bedroom. This could be 2 bedrooms. This could be a playroom. This could be whatever you want it to be. This could just be storage if you wanted it to. So this has got a lot of options, and it's a really great addition to the home, being a 2.5-story home. Absolutely fantastic. I really love this space. Tons of windows, great views all around. Really like this place as an additional feature. It's kind of a bonus, especially when you get into homes of this age. So that's a great finish to the inside, and let's go and take a look at outside. All right, let me take you to the backyard. The backyard is also incredible. We have a 190-foot deep lot. This is a massive lot, and we've got lots of great landscaping. I mean, just look at this oversized gate here to the backyard. Such lovely hardware. It just swings right open to a 3-tiered backyard space. And so here we've got our barbecue, we've got a nice little patio space here, and this is that back entrance that's actually kind of your main entrance, and so that keeps things nice and clean. This whole back section here has been redone this year. in the last few months, and this is all hardy board. This has been all new fascia, all new soffits, all new hardy board, lifetime warranty kind of stuff. We come up these beautiful stairs here, really nicely landscaped, like I've said, and this moves to another deck, or sorry, another patio here, more stones, gardens, fully fenced, fully private space here. We've got an upper patio up there where they've got their fireplace, and then we've got some garden boxes back there and another storage shed for just more storage. So you've got a lot going on back here, really great. We've got an accent lighting here, new windows, electrical. You're set for life here. This is a fantastic space. Guys, I absolutely love my job, and I love my job because I love working with people and I love working with gorgeous homes like this one. If you're at all interested in booking a private showing of this place or you want to know more information, my details are all over the place. My number is 905-941-2749. Call me, text me, whatever it is, let me know, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks. Bye.